We'll guide you through how to fix your Nintendo Switch not charging or turning on. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you want to go and take the Switch out of its dock. And what we want to do is then go and take the charger out of the dock or the AC adapter, and you want to go and plug it straight into the Switch. So go onto the bottom of the Switch and plug it in. Make sure that it is properly plugged in as well. And then what you should do is just wait, at least a couple of minutes, but ideally longer for the Switch to go and get some charge. And then what you want to do is go onto the top of the Switch. And as you can see, we've got a power button there. And what you want to do is go and hold that for sort of 10 to 15 seconds. So keep holding it. You are going to see my Switch turn on. As I don't currently have the problem, yours will remain black. But yeah, keep holding it until that time has passed. Once the time has passed, let go, and then all you want to do is just press the button once, as you usually would, and then hopefully it will go and turn on and your problem will be fixed. If that still doesn't work though, then what I recommend you do is you unplug the Switch. Then what you want to do is go and check out the Switch's ports and make sure there's nothing in there which could be blocking it from charging, like dust or other debris. So what you could do is use a small brush or maybe some compressed air to go and clean it. Then what you can do is plug your Switch in again and go and see if it starts charging, and then if you can go and turn it on. However, if that still isn't working, then what you can try doing is removing the Joycons. So if your Switch is just completely out of battery, or for some reason it's not turning on, then this can work. Once again though, you'll need to go and give it a chance to charge, and then what you can do is go and try turning it on by using the power button on the top. And finally, what you can try doing is using a different cable. It may be a problem with this cable. Of course, make sure it is properly plugged in both ends. But then what you could try using is another USB-C cable if you have one. Or alternatively, just go and buy another Nintendo Switch charging cable as well. Ideally, an official one as well. And then what you can do is try charging your Switch and turning it on, and hopefully that'll go and fix your problem. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.